Hey, what's going on, fellow Homo sapiens? Here is the green-throated Carib. This is a species of hummingbird found only in the Caribbean. I found some males and females. There are actually two subspecies, one being only found in Grenada, and the other one is more wide-ranging, which is this one. Hopefully I can get to Grenada one of these days and find the other subspecies. So I managed to find 2 out of the 4 hummingbirds you can find on Dominica. Hopefully on another trip I can find the other 2 and share them with everyone. I love how the camera chooses a branch to focus on. Awesome. So here is the green-throated Carib. An excellent bird to check off our list. See you next time on Lifers.